Minana, before Baha and your body. Penny, no, I'll do class some more gruma. Now, brass some more do gruma. Quack catches me, the boonjo. I should also ye, the better may be, I can find some other. And look at my flower. Would have been passing by, and the son catch a lot, or catch them. Man, I soon decide, but some in Pessa. On your lawyer. What is
Nana? Where is so? Boss, the man and Tiacha. Nana, into me to know.
Aye.
Now, what can I say? You don't know. You have also been a casa.
Mo,
it's in an hour.
Mo. Find out with you. Find out with you. And I'm count. Ayana and you know, the join in the brain.
Okay,
and I'm count. Find out with you.
So for businessman,
whoa, I'm right here. Whoa, who knows what to be trying to pass?
wonder why?
Or besides, I mean, whoa, don't call it this out. What about you? Clear up, boss. Who free? Who free?
Walk through who come army.
Before Coco, Johnny Mark beside the country now. Mini Cronani, Robert Diagra, Robedu. Every day going, 3 hours of the opposite, which you can't tell for them. Say it. Let me be mayor.
That what's that? I'm Mupa. Who was going to my cell? I soon call no man to sell what? Men quite yamity. Can ye? Me, Manata can do. Men of Cassia.
I am looking for the next time.
But don't say a corona.
Yes.
Oh, any a corona.
Okay, please. When I get there, I would like to see the Nana.
Okay, Nana.
Okay, please lead me.
Okay, may have. Now ring. Hey,
I go. Nana come for. If I talk black.
I am what? Let's say.
Yeah. Bully. Nana. Na intifu ni wa. Ejafu. Intimide neighbor. Nani e owo
No, Sophie.
Ofi Kepus neighbor.
Ora, Aquaba. What to say? Huh? What to say? Open doors, what to say? You don't know what to say. So what to say? Sir, yo, now, who buy the gas?
What's your friend, Reverend Father Collins?
Your father,
Reverend Father Collins.
Reverend Collins. Reverend Collins.
I came in not too long ago from Cape Coast.
Ayeka.
I would like to speak with the king of this kingdom, this community.
You can maintain. You can maintain. You come with a chin America. You give me. You can maintain. Tikachi. The child I am. I come from in the
maybe so me chiri na ni wa na o se me ne ba o
wa chiri kresi na egu na ga ka woni ni ba no be san kwanta san na
me si dey bisa ne kwantu na asemu a o kan me nti ka sei
chaso ora na say
I said I came from Cape Coast. I would like to see the king of this kingdom.
Cape Coast ga mi nsa Cape Coast ga wo na asemu o kan me nti ya o kan bi
Me say I want to see Nana.
I want person who Nana. No ma me pressing. E da kiki. Okay, e di asem. Nti no person who Nana.
I came into this town new. I am a missionary. I have other colleagues, but I was sent here. We are here to spread the good news. So I would like to see Nana before I do anything.
Baby, how much? Papa. Now some okay. We know okay tree. And a good. Now we can in different. You have any answer? You go on now. You could be now. Green now can. No catching Nana. So that's what specifically catching her. No catching her. The bedroom. The uncle. The sea uncle. I am my dream. Now I'm from.
ora
Odio. Mabra.
Nana.
Adem kwa na madwane e dis.
Nana de.
Busumbienu ebuna ete busumbienu. Edura me di ma mu nom. Unu do no. Mu madwane e di dodo. Ah? Je. Wa habai. Ani habai. Je. Koyam. The sub bentua mienu anopa, bentua mienu enyure. What? And I don't call. And one sorry call. I'm mammy do. Ah, sorry call. Yo.
Thank you very much. I came into the town not too long ago from Cape Coast. So the moment I came, I said, let me come and see the man in charge of security in this town and introduce myself properly to him.
That's good.
My name is Reverend Father Collins.
And so, I'm here to I see a book room. But it's better say, we'll buy a report to our or good training. Oh, you'll be uncle buy and on my report. I said, Tuna and son, I was about police station. Said, see out to me.
At the missionary, they train us to respect every office. So
yeah.
I know the moment I arrive, there are dignitaries in this town. I need to visit and introduce myself before I settle down.
Yeah. And this office too is open 24/7. So you can walk in anytime.
Thank you.
This office is your office. Oh, that's good.
So please, I don't want to take too much of your time.
Okay.
I know you are busy.
Oh yeah.
I will beg to take my leave.
So thank you.
If you do good business, you go receive good promotion. If you do bad business, you go receive bad promotion. If you do small business, you go become big merchant.